This is my Roomba stress test. So first, iRobot. This is Roomba 600 series. My 500 series is in my room. It's dead, so I can't use it. So here's my iRobot. Right? Okay. Alright. I'm gonna whack around. That's a good clean. Alright. Oh, you bumped into dirt? How is that possible? One more time. Alright. Alright, dirt detect. That's the sort of 2025 dirt detect. So this is how much picked up. Wow. That's a lot. This is why iRobots are better than any other models. Not like the same brand, like Tyco, my robot, not like iRobot, Goovy, Toy Cells. If you don't know what a toy cell, it's a toy Roomba. I just call it toy cell for some reason. Like that one, that's a toy Roomba. I like to call it toy cell. Let's try the little Roomba. That's toy cell. Hello? Clean. Alright, what did it suck up? What'd you get for me, suck boy? Alright, it picked up some. At least it picked up something. It didn't really pick up much, but at least it picked up something. So yeah, that's cool. So let's put that back.
Start automatic cleaning time.
Sorry about that. Now let's use my Goovy. See how much this picks up. Okay, now it's there. Let's run it one more time over the mess and see how much it cleans. Alright, let's check it out. Alright. It's pretty good. Close up. Now, close. Alright, last one. Take home. One of my favorites. Almighty, one of my favorites. The take home and
Start automatic cleaning.
Alright, here goes. One of my favorites. Here goes.
Cleaning time.
Oh, okay. Let's see what it goes one more time.
Start
No,
automatic
thank you.
cleaning.
Okay, there's not really much here. I should put it in high suction, but I don't
Dustbin is taken out.
want to end the video.
Dustbin is taken out.
So yeah. Alright, it cleaned about that much. So really good.
Dustbin is installed. Dustbin is taken out. Dustbin is installed. Start automatic cleaning. Insert dustbin. Dustbin is taken out.
Alright, I got all the dirt. So there's a lot of dirt. Let's put it in the dustbin.
Dustbin is installed.
Oops. Alright. There you go. That's all my Roombas. Hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, stress test is done. We're gonna run all of these Roombas over this in the next video. So yeah, bye.